The video shows how to change the color of hydrangea flowers. Hydrangeas are excellent shrubs in a garden for lots of color ranging from red to blue with good showing ability. You can change the color of your hydrangeas by modifying the soil characteristic. Please like and share the video. Also please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get informed when new videos are uploaded. The color of hydrangea flowers depends on the pH of the soil in which they are planted. The pH value indicates whether the soil is acidic or alkaline. A pH of 7 shows that the soil is neutral. From 7 to 0, it is acidic, and from 7 to 14 it is alkaline. A soil pH of 4.5 makes hydrangea deep blue, while a pH of 7 will turn hydrangea to deep pink or red. In the alkaline soil, the flowers are pink due to a pigment called as anthocyanin in the flowers. In acidic soil, the roots take up aluminium from the soil and changes this pigment to form the blue version of hydrangea. To get blue flowers, change the soil from alkaline to acidic by reducing its pH by adding garden sulfur, compost, coffee grounds and fruit and vegetable peels in the soil. But the color change do not happen overnight. It takes a long time, about a year. There is a solution for this to turn pink hydrangeas into blue in short time. The trick is to add aluminium sulphate in the soil, so that it is absorbed quickly and turn the color of hydrangeas to blue. Dissolve 1 teaspoon in water and add in the soil every month when the new growth begins in the plant. Once the flowers are blue, then you need not to add it. The color depends on how much aluminium the plant can take up through its roots. Changing a pink hydrangea to a blue hydrangea is difficult than changing from pink to blue. For this, you have to prevent the soil to suck up aluminium from the soil, which happens when the soil is acidic. So you need to raise its pH by adding dolomite or garden lime in it. But it will take several years to fully get pink or red hydrangea.